presenting the 2008 Hyundai Santa Fe SE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 1. Cargo, 1. Rear, 3. Assist grips, 18-inch qua, 2-speed variable intermittent wipers, 3.3 LDOH CMPI 5.6 24-valve engine, 4-wheel disc brakes, 60/40 split folding flat fold rear seat and AC. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.